I started thinking of things in that way. It took me a long time to kind of detach myself from that, because I think when you're starting out as a writer, and this is probably true with podcasts and everything, it's like you love seeing the numbers go up. It's like every year the number is higher than the year before, and it feels good. It motivates you. You feel inspired. You're like, hell yeah, I'm growing. I'm getting better. And at some point though, like once that number gets high enough, you gotta let go of it. You gotta let go of it, because it's not sustainable once it's that high. You're gonna run out of oxygen. It was a difficult process to kind of get back to like, okay, I need to write a book. Step one, write a book.
So you went through a process of huge success, but it also sounds like a little sadness and forcing yourself to try to create the next hit because of the pressure from the publisher or whatever you had, dealing you had, and not being satisfied with the results you were creating.
Yeah, really. Wow, man. What's the point of all this? Like what? I've worked so hard for 12 years to get to this point. And what, just to play Zelda all day? Like, is that it? Is this it? I'm 33, like, is this really all it's gonna be?
You've written how many articles for your website?
Hundreds, thousands. I started in 07 online. And so yeah, it took, the way I describe it is that it took time to find new dreams, new things to, new visions for, like, the
I think
future.
we're going to drive into that.
Yeah.
And it's funny because since I went through that, I've got I've got a group of friends who are like in the startup world out in New York. I know a couple guys who have like exited, had really successful exits.
And going through depression also, or like a sadness.
And yeah, I remember talking to one of my friends.
6 foot, 600 pounds.
Wow.
Hairy black beast with a giant chest, enormous arm, pounds on his chest, runs on all fours, fucking fangs. When they fly, they tear each other and clash, or smash into each other and fight. Fuck, man, you didn't know that was real? You ran into a gorilla? What the fuck? By the way, they didn't know mountain gorillas were no, really? Yeah. When was the discovery of mountain gorillas? Don't they think those giant chimps in Congo are hybrid? No, they don't, because they have DNA. They're the only chimpanzee species, or subspecies, I should say. They found because of the crest of the skull of the gorilla. 1902. Damn. Yeah. A German explorer captured Robert Baldwin. The mountain gorilla was named Gorilla Beringe on her. Fuck. Look at, imagine that. How about those? That guy who's an anti-poaching agent that helps protect gorillas from poachers, and he got them to pose standing up in a selfie. And even better, there's video of him.
And it's flooded outside.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh my god, really? And we got another storm coming? Wow. It is 6:10 p.m. Storm left at about 4 p.m. this afternoon. And it left all this flooding. But it calmed down after a while, but that's not going to last long. Because look that way. There's another thunderstorm coming. I was on my computer and then I heard something. I heard thunder. I was like, what? Is there another storm coming? So then I looked out my window and yes, there is another storm coming. Yeah. And that's going to make this place even more flooded. Put it in.